Hi friends, today is the third day of the communication practice. Uh, as I have got different, I've learned from different sources that every day we have to do 10-minute practice. That I have repeatedly telling that everybody who want to practice or improve communication skill has to practice for at least 10 minutes every day. In which form? In making videos. Yes, if we make videos, then we can evaluate it further. We can see our body language, we can see our the way we speaking, we can speak our word per minutes, the word, the rate of words we are delivering per minutes. We can evaluate it. So if we have to improve our communication skills, we have to continuously practice for 10 minutes day by day, and it has been researched that by day practice only we can improve, because our subconscious mind is habituated. Our subconscious mind accepts those things which we do day by day. We do not need to recall those things which we do every day. So if we communicate in a formal manner every day, so we don't have to recall these things. It is in our blood. It will become in our blood that we are practicing it daily. So in our subconscious mind or blood, it is there. And if suddenly we have to somewhere we have to face an interview, and somewhere we have to face some public, so where we have to do a well structured speech, and there is something in stake. There is something in stake means it is also first is image is always in stake when we'll say something in public or interview, and with and additionally there may be our, if we are working in a marketing industry, then the stake is maybe the orders orders of the for the company. If you are uh, if you are discussing with investors, the stake is the fund we can get from the investors can be cancelled. If you are applying for job and we are not prepared for properly, not prepared means not prepared before last 2 3 hours or last 2 days, if not prepared every day for the communication skills, then our job in our stake. So something will be in stake additionally to our image. Yes, our image, the image will be definitely in stake, because if we will say something in public and in a very rough manner, very informal manner, casual manner, then our image will be in stake. But additionally, there may be job, there may be money, there may be orders, there may be our growth. Ultimately, our growth is in stake if we will not communicate properly. So we have to communicate in structured manner, but not by writing the all the structure and just repeat it, by practicing it daily only. So friends, I have committed to myself that I will practice daily for 10 minutes, and I'll make videos and I'll publish it in YouTube, so that there will be proper record that I am practicing it, and I am confident by practicing it I will grow myself. And if somebody will watch my video, and he can see that day by day the way I am talking, the way I am communicating is will improve, and it may be inspiring to others, it may be motivating others to practice. It is not important that how you communicate on the day one, day two, day three, or making how much mistakes you are making. It is not about making mistakes or not. It is not about how perfect you are. It is about your continuously giving efforts to something which is badly required for us, which is at least everyone will need this. So we record this. Just what we need is to practice day by day, daily, daily. and daily. So that is my commitment that I will continuously practice. And if somebody will watch this video, and this is my recommendation is to, this video is not for, this video is not to how to improve communication. This video is to inspire people to practice communication daily. Because if we do anything day by day, if we do anything day by day, and it will be, the way we do will improve definitely, and the way we do will be improved automatically, and we will be master of that thing. We can be master of something if we do it day by day with a structure manner. Yes, we should have a mentor. We should learn public speaking and communication skills from good mentors. But in our 24 hours, we can give half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours to learn skills. But in a day, 10 minutes for practicing that skills. In a communication, there is one message. If you are applying for a job, the message is to, I am fit for the job. I am fit for the job, so please get me hired. If you're communicating with the investor, the message is to, our company is very good and you can invest fearlessly. If you are communicating with the public, then you have to give a message or influence them. And same way, if you have to communicate to some specific people, then you have to give some particular message or influence that way. So the way we speak, the way we grow. So please speak for 10 minutes every day, and will definitely grow. And yes, if we have to deliver a speech, what I've learned is, there should be a starting, there should be a good start, there should be a good content, and there should be a good closing. Starting should be more influencing, because as there is more people have quotation that first impression is the last impression. I don't believe that first impression is last impression, but first impression is a very important impression. So first impression should be good enough so that people will influence and just try to listen what you are speaking. The first impression should be make people attentive, and the content should be in that manner that people should stay attentive. People should stay attentive and get some message. For people getting attentive is not that easy thing. We cannot make every people attentive. There may be some percentage people will stay inattentive, but our target should be most of the people, most percentage of people should be attentively listening our content. That should be our major focus. For that, one thing I have learned is telling stories. Stories help us to connect people. So we can tell some good stories of our own experience. There can be other inspiring stories, but the best story which connect people is telling your own experience in a certain manner, so that people connect with you. When people connect with you, they will laugh when you laugh, and they will cry when you cry. They will smile when you smile. That is the important thing of the delivering a speech, that they are connected with you, the public is connected with you, the investor is connected with you, the interviewer is connected with you, the persons which you are speaking, all are connected with you, and the message you are giving, they are getting the message to their brain also and to their heart also. Okay, thanks for listening. Thanks.